So I'm happy to be home. I no longer live in Germany. I'm no longer a resident of Germany. But my sons, Noah Obaoye, David Obaoye, are still there. That the UK them manipulatively took since April.
Hey, my people, another one don't happen. As I just work out, they go now and see this woman video. I go put her for na make una listen. He said they don't collect the Pikin. As we they talk now, she there for Nigeria. She buy ticket, she go Nigeria. She go sit down, say she don't live Germany, and she leave the two Pikin for Germany. Germany government hand. My people, why it be say our people before you hear you get dance? I mean, you get hand, you get hand, you get hand. They don't kidnap. You get hand, don't take our Pikin. As the social don't take her. Una know they do normal life for there, for the Germany. Una know they do normal life. Why? Now they cause all this problem. Now they cause all this problem because most of people will be said they just come up for another European country. They don't just go sit down for Germany because of say benefits. You get hands, you get this one. Now they cause all this problem. Now they put those children for the problem. Because if you go Germany, you go they do normal life. They not go reach where you did. Now you go they chook your hand for their eye. Now you go they chook your hand for their mouth. Now make them they do all those things. Because many people there for that Germany where be say they live better life. They not like they not collect their Pikin. Una go so na not get na person give una belle, the man don't run. Una go start to they talk different things. They go come enter inside una house. They go come enter inside una life. Before you know, they go say that Pikin, you not the train away. Now so some of them una go even go the country. Una go tell them say una head not correct. Person where head not correct, then they give a Pikin the train. The answer is no. Now they cause all these things. Because of you get hand, I mean now you get that, I mean now you got that. I don't know what to they call her for that side. Before they go enter in a house, assistance social, they know they enter person house. If you not go knock for their door, una no fit do normal life. Una no fit do normal. Una no fit live as normal. Una just dey there, una no dey work. Una sit down for house. Una dey look for benefits. Una dey look for money. Come and give me house free of charge. Come and give me this one free of charge. They not go collect una Pikin. Now they put una Pikin for all this problem. Now this lady now, I said they watch a video. He said she get caught. Okay, they don't collect the Pikin. I think that 1 year now. He said because of say where she they stay too small. Me I don't understand this thing because most of our people, more than they talk true too. They don't go collect your Pikin because of say where you they small. Now something they under. Because many people there for that Germany where be say they go say they not like where they carry them, go there from there carry them, go carry them put for another place. But why now story no when they enter, they enter off my they enter Owawa. According to her, I said now where the place too small, this one, so the environment, so now because of that one, and they collect the Pikin, they don't carry them go court. She's supposed to go court this month, last month where it just passed. So she go tell them say, make una give me my Pikin. I want go Nigeria. I don't even tired to even stay the Germany again. How they go give you? Not everything a process. Everything a process. Now she don't buy ticket. She don't there for Lagos. She don't enter Naija. Without that two children not follow and go Nigeria. Those two children, that two said they not be citizen of Germany. Where your papa there now? We don't know because if they told the story, we know they hear the papa, the man where give me belly. We know they hear, they know they talk all those ones. You just see many women, single mother. The papa now they bring the comments. Now she don't go Nigeria. Those two children they Germany for year. Una know because they talk and say she promised those two children she go fit collect them. When you dey Nigeria, when you dey for Germany, you no fit collect them. Now when you come dey Nigeria, now you want fit collect those two children. How you want to do one? Me I no understand. Before you know, they go just write and say they no see you again. Before you know, those children they go give them to another family because the papa now we don't know where he dey. So let's say okay, one parent still there here. No parents now, even they there. Una know the way where these things they wait till they work. Once they not see you, they'll just write and say they not see you again. So you are nowhere to be found. Now you come out. Not be saying now they drive you come out now. Why you not wait to fight the issue to see whether you go fit? Now when you don't dare our country, now you go fit come fight. According to her, he said they say he head not correct, so now made them carry the pikin where she they stay, not good, doesn't one go. You know, all these things where be so now they do. It not good, but they affect the children when they born. Me, I don't understand the way when say they live for the country. You hear somebody now, you go just carry it back. Because of say the country where it dey, you know they okay. She don't get 2 or 3 pikin. She just carry those pikin. You know go ask whether the journey for their work day. Now what you go just ask how the benefit be, how much they pay children. Now that one may be our people. The question when they ask. They'll just carry those pikin. Oh yeah, let's go to journey. Let me go sit down for them. Oh, follow them they eat. You don't know say something there inside. If it good for the other one, not feel good for you. Not be everybody now go good for. So go there now. That's your pikin. They go collect them for your hand. Depends on what you write for grant. Now they put on our children for all this problem. Now. I no say now. How you go born pikin, you go they expect say the government make they call they train them, make they do everything. The man will give you belle, you go say you not see again, don't run come out. They go write everything down. May God not let something do you. They'll say your head not correct. Yes, because now only you want to carry that pikin. They'll say too much of stress. They go find everything by anything to collect that pikin for your hand. And that's why you can't see some of them document not they don't do like person. They even they tell them say they're not they'll even declare say they're not they okay. They are depressed, they are this, they are that one. And no, but they don't want to hear that kind of thing. Especially when they carry small children, they waka. Because they don't want where you can't use your depression. Take by them. I will put this video for them and watch my people. Now where they run, they go Germany where they say this one, that one. Like this woman now where they say can't carry herself now. Whether he deport himself or whether he get document. And no, he don't go sit down for Naija. He said from that side, he go come find it. He go come find Germany, make them bring the children come. Oh my God. Anyway, my people, make I put the video, make una just listen. Make una do. Make una know they give the country people where be say collect children. Mona know they blame them. Mona they blame una self. Where be say una no fit stand una stand. You no fit find man where be say go dead there for you. Una can't use una okpakpa pepper body put for the country where be say they want try to help una. Now can't put her for their body say they kidnap Pikin. Why they not kidnap other people? Why be say na Nigeria? Why Senegal not dead the country? Gambia not there, other country people they not there. Why be say now where be say na be Nigeria now na Pikin na they carry. Now not they sit down on ask on herself. Yeah they smell. Now bye my people.
So hi peace. This is Lagos, Nigeria. I'm at the airport. I've arrived. I'm back to Nigeria from Germany. This is Adenike about you. Today, 22nd of May, 2025. So, I'm happy to be home. I no longer live in Germany. I'm no longer a resident of Germany. But my sons, Noah Obaoye, David Obaoye, are still there. That the UK land manipulatively took since April 2024 and refused to give them back even when I told them that I was leaving Germany. The battle continues. I'll get my children back from Germans. So that's the message. I'm going to get my sons back from Germans because they have no German citizenship, no dual citizenship with Germany. Thanks everyone. A kidnapper is justifying why he or she kidnapped foreign children. Germans are justifying why they stole foreign children, claiming Nigeria is not safe for the children to return to their own country. How can a thief claim to know how to take care of a property or of a human that doesn't belong to them? The owner remains the owner, no matter how much the thief